This keyboard has a touch bar, and no, it is not the kind you are probably thinking about. The NuPhy Node75 does something a little unusual at the top of the board, and it changes how you interact with basic controls like volume, brightness, and macros. But a feature like this only matters if the rest of the keyboard holds up. After real use, long typing sessions, and daily switching between devices, the bigger story here is balance. So let us walk through how this keyboard delivers. Let us start with the layout, and it uses a 75% layout with 84 keys, which keeps the function row, arrows, and navigation keys. At the same time, it removes extra bulk, which frees up desk space. In daily use, this feels well judged. You get enough keys to work comfortably, while your mouse hand gains more room. If your desk is small, or you move between typing and mouse work often, this layout feels practical. And with its lighter weight, around 659 grams, it also feels easy to carry around without thinking twice. Now, moving into the build. The Node75 uses an ABS plastic case on both the top and bottom. On paper that may sound basic, but in hand it feels intentional. The keyboard stays light, and there is no distracting flex during typing. Next, let us talk about the most talked about feature here, the touch bar. At the top, the keyboard splits into two parts. On the left, there is a dot matrix LED panel. This shows battery status, connection mode, caps lock, and typing activity. On the right, you get the touch surface. This supports swipes and taps, which you can customize through NuPhy IO. Out of the box, it controls volume and brightness, but you can map it to apps, macros, or lighting. Now to the typing feel. The Node75 uses low-profile switches, and you can choose linear, tactile, or silent options. Everything is hot-swappable, which gives you room to change later. The linear switches feel smooth and light, which works well for long typing sessions. The tactile switches give feedback, but they stay gentle, so your fingers do not feel tired. The silent option keeps noise down nicely, which helps in shared spaces. The gasket mount and polycarbonate plate help control sound. Even with a plastic case, the keyboard avoids harsh echo. Compared to older low-profile boards, this feels more refined and softer on the ears. Now let us talk about how it connects. You get wired USB-C 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth 5.0. The 2.4 GHz mode runs at 1000 Hz polling, and it feels responsive for fast typing and light gaming. Wired mode feels just as solid. Battery life is another strong point. The Node75 has a 3000 mAh battery, and in real use, it lasts a long time. With RGB on, you can expect several days of heavy use. With lights off, it can go for weeks without charging. Charging happens over USB-C, and the keyboard remains usable while charging. That matters if this is your main board. So after spending time with the NuPhy Node75, it feels like a thoughtful, everyday keyboard. It does not try to impress with extremes. Instead, it focuses on comfort, space, and small features that make sense over time. That was all. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you found it helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more videos.